And now back to the Sunny Side Up show here on Sprout.
Hey Sproutlets, today is Sunday, February 12th, and your birthday is finally here. Let's all celebrate. Happy, happy birthday to you. Happy, happy birthday to you. You're good to grow, so count the candles and blow. Happy, happy birthday to you, to you, to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Hey, Mr. Mailman. Thank you for the birthday card. See you later. Bye. Well, yippee! Joaquin is 3.
Happy birthday!
Thanks, Copycat. Look, Joaquin's riding a horse. From Sacramento, California. Happy birthday, Feliz cumpleaños, to our amazing son. We love you so much, from Mommy, Papa, and Apollo. What a great card. Well, Joaquin, happy birthday. There you go, Chica. Thank you. And look who's 2.
Happy birthday!
Elmo Nose from Wichita, Kansas. It's Lindsay Boo. What a great picture of Lindsay Boo. Happy birthday, Lindsay. Love from Mommy, Daddy, and Sydney. What a colorful card. Lindsay, happy birthday. Lindsay Boo. There you go, Chica. And ooh, look at this card. Watch how it opens up. Happy birthday to Avery. What? There's Avery from Milwaukee, Oregon. Happy birthday to Avery, our special girl. You bring such joy and laughter into our lives every day. We love you from Mama, Daddy, Cody, Nana, Papa, Grandpa, Grammy, and Known. What a great picture. Avery, happy birthday.
And now, it's time to celebrate today's birthdays from the Sunny Side Up Show.
Hi, Sproutlets. Dennisha and Chica here. Today is Saturday, February 25th. If it's your birthday today, we got a song for you. Happy, happy birthday to you. Happy, happy birthday to you. You're good to grow, so count the candles and blow. Happy, happy birthday to you, to you, to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Hey, Mr. Mailman. Thank you for the birthday cards. Bye. Well, check this out. I'm just a kid who's 4. Each day we love you more. This card comes from Wichita, Kansas. Let's wish a happy birthday to Sydney. Beautiful Princess Sydney. Happy birthday, Sydney. Love from Mommy, Daddy, and Lindsay.
Happy birthday!
Thanks, Caillou. Well, Sydney, happy birthday. There you go, Chica. And hey, Nina and Star, guess who's 4? From Normal, Illinois, happy birthday to Jackson. There's Jackson. Jack, we can't believe how fast you've grown and what a wonderful little man you have become. We love you so much, Mommy, Daddy, Mimi, and Alex. Well, Jackson, happy birthday. There you go, Chica. Sproutlets, we have some birthday wishes too. Let's wish a happy birthday to Alexander. He's 2 today in Chicago, Illinois.